Hello students, in this video tutorial I am going to show how to run program in Python. In this video I have included only basic Python program. First, this program you can see area of rectangle. This is hash sign and we can say this is comment line, single line commenting. When we put hash sign before any line, it is considered as comment line in Python, single line comment. If you want to put multiple line in comment, you have to write single quote 3 times. Then this program start from here to this area. This program is commented and this is called multiple line comment. Okay, I already discussed you about what is comment in Python or other programming language. You can see input interlength, input interbreadth, and we have used here int function. It is used to convert string in number. This is area variable, L into B calculation, store in area and print area of rectangle. This is message and this is variable. It will print the value which is kept in area. Now I want to run this program. You can see interlength. Suppose I enter 6, 7. Area of rectangle is equal to 42. Now next program. Another program is perimeter of rectangle. In this case, we have to enter length, breadth and formula is 2 into L plus V. And this calculation is stored in P variable and this is message and this is variable. In variable, this calculation value is stored. Now I want to run this program. Enter length 6, 7. Perimeter of rectangle equal to 26. Next program. Area of circle. Enter radius. Radius will store in R variable and this is formula pi r square. Pi r square and stored in AOC variable, and this print function will print the value of AOC. Now I want to run this program. Enter radius 7. Area of circle is equal to this. Now another program, you can see circumference of circle. In this case I have to enter again radius and this is formula of circumference of circle 2 pi r, 2 value of pi and this is radius stored in COC variable. This calculation is stored in COC variable and in this line I want to print the value of COC and this is message. Now run this program. Enter radius 8. This is result of circumference of circle. Next program. This program is related to calculation of simple interest and amount. For calculating simple interest, we have to enter 3 values as a P, R and T. enter principal amount, enter rate, enter time, and this calculation is stored in SI. And after calculating SI, P plus SI equal to amount, and print message, this message will print SI and this line will print amount. Now I want to run this program. For this I want to move taskbar, suppose 500, rate 5 and time 7. You can see simple interest 175 and amount payable 675. Now you can again see this program. PRT inputted by user, and this is calculation stored in SI, and this calculation is stored in amount, and this is printing of value. Now I want to open another program. Next program. This program is related to calculating and display selling price. In this line, I want to enter cost price of any article stored in CP, and enter profit stored in P. Cost price plus P equal to selling price, and in this line I want to print selling price. So I want to run this program. You can see run this program. Cost price is 500, profit is 45, selling price is 545. Again, next program. This program is related to add two numbers. Okay. In this line, I want to enter first number stored in number. In this line, I want to enter second line stored in num2, and num1 plus num2 stored in sum variable, and at last I want to print the value of sum. Now I want to run this program. First number 45, second number 45, value is 100. Now next program. To find the area of a trapezium. In this case, I have to enter the value of A, value of B, value of H. Now formula of area of trapezium 1 by 2 in bracket A plus B into H. And after this last line I want to print the value. Save this program and run this program. This is formula of calculation area of trapezium. Suppose sorry, syntax error is here. Sorry, I want to open this program again. Enter value of A. Sorry, this is a wrong statement. I want to change this. Input. We have run this model. Value of A, value of B, and value of H. Now there is error. I want to rectify this. AB, this is written in a small and I have it here capital, so we have to change it capital. So